Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the core features. This is why we do it first. WSL depends on the virtual machine platform and subsystem integration. Open an elevated PowerShell, run the dism enable feature command I just mentioned, and reboot when prompted. Once done, set WSL default to version 2 so you get better I/O and full Linux kernel compatibility. Make sure your Windows 10 build supports WSL 2. If not, apply the latest updates before continuing to distro installation. Now you install and initialize a distro so you can run Linux tools. Use the store or WSL install D Ubuntu to fetch an image, launch it, create your user, and set a password. Once in, update packages to get security fixes and necessary tools. Configure /etc//WSL. Conf or your shell profile to control mounts, networking, and default user behavior. This is why we tweak settings, to ensure predictable path mapping and file permissions between Windows and Linux. Test by running a simple apt or unaim command. Finish by integrating WSL into your workflow so you get the speed and tooling benefits. Access files through \WSL$ or mount, and use editors like VS Code Remote to edit inside the distro. If something breaks, run WSL update, then WSL shutdown, and reinstall the WSL kernel package. That sequence resolves most kernel or distro registration problems. Make sure heavy projects live inside the Linux file system for best performance. If networking or
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.